Welcome to Snap It Quick Edge. In the next few minutes, we'll show you just how easy it is to enhance your home and garden with our unique concrete border system.
This video will enable you to install your very own garden and path edging, construction borders, patios and more. Perfect curves and corners make setting out your custom design simple and effective. Previous methods are difficult and clumsy and are now a thing of the past. Snap It Quick Edge will transform your home, garden or patio into a masterpiece. Snap It Quick Edge is the only choice when it comes to strength, good looks, durability and ease of installation. Our unique products provide all of these advantages in one simple system. Installation of our edging system is quick, easy and can be done in a matter of hours. Our system also provides optional products that can be utilised for trowel finishes and replicated brick and cobble finishes. Simple brush finishes can also be used to create rustic edging that will suit your home and garden. No more timber boxing, no more cutting wooden pegs and boards that move as soon as they are installed. Simply lay Snap It Quick Edge, install the reinforcing steel, pour the concrete and choose your finish. When the concrete is cured, simply remove the plastic sidewalls with a large blade and dispose of the waste. No more cleaning and storage of wooden planks, boards and pegs. Snap It Quick Edge is the only way to create super strong, stylish, good looking borders at an affordable price. You can also add colour to your edging with oxide powder for heavy duty areas or simply by applying our very own Snap It Concrete Stain. Concrete stain and oxides are available in a range of colours. Snap It Quick Edge, the fast, simple to use concrete landscape border system.